Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Jess, and in today's video I'm going to show you how anyone can do a newspaper delivery job anywhere in the UK. Even if you don't have a right to work here officially, yes, you have the right. You can still earn around 1600 per month, working 7 days a week, and all you need is your own car and a valid driving license, whether it's an international license or a UK license, as well as I will walk you through everything, how the job works, what a typical day looks like, and how much you can earn per day, and in the end, as well as I will even show you how to apply, and with the link in the description below. So make sure you watch till the end, especially if you are new in the UK, looking for an income and or just want to a flexible side hustle. So please give it with me. Now I'm going to the location where I have to pick newspapers for doing delivery today. Alright guys, now we are picking the newspapers, right? The main guy bring the all newspapers, so we have to check which one is mine, which one is our, right? So look guys, that is very responsibility job. So before doing delivery, so we have to check again. Yeah, if you not check newspaper, so they penalty on you, like they deduct 10 quids per newspaper if you miss any newspaper, right? So please make sure check again before going for doing delivery, right? Please. So now I'll see you later, right? So guys, we are going to put first newspaper of today delivery. So give it with me, I'll let you know how to put, where to put, yeah. Look guys, I'm going to show you how to put newspaper in the letterbox. Try to push, pass it. Look, like that is a Daily Express, so we have to choose Daily Express from in our collection, right? Guys, that is our first location of delivery, so we already put it, right? So once you put it, then you have to put then you have to click on the delivery option, right? Then they show you the second location, like you can see in the upside is a LEAT. Then just click on the location button. Okay, so just click on this button, just view route, right? Let's go now.
Make a U-turn onto Barnard's Way.
This is the second location of our place. Sometimes guys, we have to put two newspapers in the same place, the same right location, right? So please make sure about this one also, please. So guys, here was all delivery of today. Is 89 deliveries for today. We're done with that successfully. So we earn good, but they're paying us every month by count, right? So you can see that. So next I will show you how you have to apply, right, step by step. So keep it with me, please. Alright, so that's how you can get started with newspaper delivery in the UK, and even without need to the right to work here. As I promised, I was shown the daily earning, and if you are interested, the link to apply is in the description below. If you have any question or if there's any issue, feel free to drop a comment and I will do my best to help you out, right? And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss more tips and guides like this. Thanks for watching. I'm Jess, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. In the meanwhile, guys, I want to show that brilliant view of UK, especially for fresh morning, right? So you can see that. Hopefully you like this view of UK. And next I will show you how to apply for this newspaper job. So keep it with me, right? So please guys, once you click on the link have in description. So once you click on the link, then you will arrive on this page. Like you can see that you have to just put your postcode where you live, right? And after that you have to put your name and all details. Like you can see that you have to put all these things: name, email, which job is this, is a driving job, right? Once you done that, so hopefully within 1 days they will call you recording this, right? Hopefully you like this video. Thank you guys for watching my video.